Hi, I'm Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing a festival dish from the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat called Doodh Poha. Now, this can be an instant dessert or a breakfast recipe. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. To make the recipe healthy, you can switch the sugar with honey. This is super easy to make and very delicious to eat as well. This is best when served chilled. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and like, share and comment. So let's move into the video. So to begin with, I'm going to start boiling the milk in a pan. So you can either start with boiling the milk, or if you have chilled milk, you can just add the rest of the ingredients to it and make it that way as well. So I'm going to just heat the milk and bring it to a boil now. So the milk has come to a boil. Now it's time to add the sugar, cardamom powder and the nutmeg powder into this. You can also alternate the sugar with some honey. We'll add all the ingredients in and then mix it well and make sure the sugar is dissolved into the milk nicely. So the milk is dissolved and I've switched off the stove. Now I'm going to add the raisins into this. We'll let it soak in the milk so that it turns plump once it is chilled. So now we'll chill this milk nicely in the refrigerator and then start the next process. So the chilled milk is ready. Now I've got some dry fruits here. I'm using cashews and pistachios. And I've got the poha, the thick variety of poha, which I have washed and drained the water and kept ready. So now let's add the poha into the milk. So if you're using chilled milk, you can just add the sugar, nutmeg powder, cardamom powder into the milk and then add the poha along with the dry fruits and the dish will be ready. So now I'm mixing in the poha into the milk and then we'll add the dry fruits into it. Mix this well and our doodh peda is ready. We'll just refrigerate this milk once again and then serve it chilled. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.